Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to be going over with you why exactly this conspiracy is true. So we're going to kick it off with a good old friend of mine, Winston Churchill. So this is Winston Churchill writing on Zionism versus Bolshevism. It was in the Illustrated Sunday Herald in February 1920. Quote, "This movement among the Jews is not new. From the days of Spartacus-Weishaupt, aka Adam Weishaupt, to those of Karl Marx, down to Trotsky, Bela Kun, Rosa Luxembourg and Emma Goldman. This worldwide conspiracy for the overthrow of civilization and for the reconstitution of society on the basis of arrested development, on envious malfeasance and impossible equality has been steadily growing. It has been the mainspring every subversive movement during the 19th century, and now at last this band of extraordinary personalities from the underworld, the great cities of Europe and America, have gripped the Russian people by the hair of their heads and have become practically the undisputed masters of that enormous empire." That's right, according to Winston Churchill, the Illuminati were active right up until 1920. Now, according to Anthony Sutton, he was a Hoover Institute research fellow at the prestigious Stanford University. If you read his book, America's Secret Establishment, you will find out that the Skull and Bones Society at Yale is in fact a chapter of the Illuminati. So, how do we know this? Well, it's documented that a group called the File and Claw broke into the Skull and Bones headquarters, and they discovered, one, that the Skull and Bones comes from a German secret society, which the Illuminati were, and two, the Illuminati and the Skull and Bones have the same initiation ceremony. Yes, it is planned, as crazy as it sounds, but the full legendary Albert Pike plan that predicted World War II with perfect accuracy was in a book 14 years before World War II. Let's go over to S. Brent Morris, who is a master mason, a 33rd degree Freemason, and just a general head Mason researcher. Did you read it all? That was at the end of chapter 12 of S. Brent Morris, The Complete Idiot's Guide to Freemasonry. It was written 14 years before World War II that Nazism must be destroyed by Zionism to bring a sovereign state of Israel in Palestine. Interesting. How the hell did Cardinal Rodriguez make a fluke call like that in 1925? When the Nazis were just a tiny party in Germany. Not only that, but all the later reprints of Cardinal Rodriguez's book that S. Brent Morris cited, it took the letter out. It's a blatant cover-up. So, if you study Carroll Quigley, who is a very famous historian, and his book, Tragedy and Hope, you'll find out that the Morgans, the Rockefellers and the Rothschilds were at the heart of the Bank for International Settlements, and the Bank for International Settlements was supporting the Nazi economy the whole time. Now, what you need to remember is that Rothschild was promised Israel in the Balfour Declaration long before anyone really even knew about Hitler. So, he was promised Israel, but this whole time he was part of a banking cartel that was helping the Nazis. Seems fishy to me. Well, the evidence seems pretty conclusive to me. There was evidence that it was written in a book 14 years before World War II. Either that or Cardinal Rodriguez made such a lucky call. And the Rothschilds, the Morgans and the Rockefellers were behind Zionism and Nazism. It's time to use renewable technology and state-of-the-art science to create a sustainable world. Thanks for watching.